Hello everybody. Today we are going to make some pasta with one of my favorite recipes. So here, here we have a tomato puree, oregano, salt, chili powder and turmeric. Though you don't need my personal preference, mozzarella, some olive oil, pasta itself. You need to boil this. Spring onions, garlics, capsicums, onions, mozzarella cheese, and yeah, that's all.
After we have to add the pasta to the boiling water like this. Slowly, don't have to put it anywhere. Like this. Okay, well, salt is already added, so we just have to put 2 tablespoons of oil. Okay, so now the pan is hot. Now we're going to put some olive oil. Take 2 spoons of olive oil. Be sure to be careful while adding it, as it might slip. Put some garlic into this. Make sure it's a bit light brown, so stir it well like this. Okay, so now you can see that it has become a bit light brown. So I'm going to put some onion onto it. Yeah, some onion. Make sure it is a bit translucent.
Well, now the onions are ready. I'm going to put some turmeric and chili powder. This is really a personal preference, so if you don't want to add it, then don't. Portion of turmeric like this. Really tastes like salt water. We'll also add the last of our ingredients, but then again it's not really last. It's vegetables. You can also add a lot more vegetables. It differs really. Differs among the amount of people you are serving. Just the basic, like for 2 person people. I'm going to make some tomato puree and put it this. Put it everywhere and stir it well. Small amount of water. Now it's your personal preference, though I do prefer putting cream just to balance out the spices. Okay, well, the pasta is all ready. Now it's a bit hot. Be sure not to burn yourself again.
Well, that's a bit. My mistakes happen. Carefully and slowly. Ensure it is on high. Spread it out evenly so that. Like so. That's just my special sesame seeds. You can add anything really. Again, it does not have to be specific to one thing. Sprinkle it. Well, now it's almost ready.
Well, now the pasta is ready. So let's taste it. See how it is. Pretty good. Now try this out at home. Just don't burn yourself. And thank you.